Dear brothers and sisters, I'm very happy to be participating in this celebration of Vaishaka Buddha Purnima Divas, the birth, enlightenment, and mahaparinirvana of Lord Buddha. I regret that I cannot be with you in person. However, modern technology enables us to all celebrate this special occasion together. I thank the International Buddhist Federation who have organized this event in this most holy place. We have recently gone through a very difficult time. The pandemic has brought pain, suffering, and great sadness to every corner of our planet, and war rages in many parts of the world. None of us wishes to suffer, and yet we continue to experience much misery. We must all work together to bring improvements and happiness to our world. Lord Buddha taught the methods of achieving this. We must put the Buddha's teachings into practice. We must do this with efforts over time, diminishing our self-cherishing and self-grasping, as these are the roots of all our problems. In the Four Noble Truths, Lord Buddha clearly teaches how suffering comes about and how we must practice in order to abandon its causes and bring about its cessation. We cannot expect immediate results, but if we persevere, then after a few years, we will find that we are happier and that the people around us are too. Our efforts will affect our environment. If we devote ourselves to practicing according to the Four Noble Truths, we can eventually bring about peace in the world and harmony. I wish you all a very happy Buddha Purnima once again. Thank you very much.